children, welcome back to the maths class. In the previous class, we had discussed about the equal codes. So based on that, let's do the textual questions in your textbook, page number 72. First question. Prove that chords of the same length in a circle are at the same distance from the center. In the figure, AB and CD are chords of equal length and OP and OQ are perpendiculars from the center O of the circle to these chords. Okay, here we want to show that these perpendiculars, that is perpendicular OP and OQ are equal. Since the perpendicular from the center bisects a chord, then AP is equal to half of AB and also CQ is equal to half of CD. Since AB is equal to CD, we get AP is equal to CQ. Now from the right angled triangle, triangle OAP and triangle OCQ, we get OP square is equal to OA square minus AP square. OQ square is equal to OC square minus CQ square. Here, since OA is equal to OC, that is the radii of the same circle, and AP is equal to CQ, we get OP square is equal to OQ square, and so OP is equal to OQ. Thus, we have proved that the perpendiculars have equal length. Next, second question. Two chords intersect at a point on a circle and the diameter through this point bisects the angle between the chords. Prove that the chords have the same length. In the figure, AD is the diameter and O is the center of the circle. Then draw perpendicular OM and ON to AB and AC respectively. Here, consider triangle AMO and triangle ANO. Then, angle MAO is equal to angle NAO because AD is the bisector of angle BAC. Okay, here the side AO is common to both the triangles. Then, angle MAO is equal to angle NAO and another angle AMO is equal to angle ANO. So we have learned that if two angles of two triangles are equal, then the third angle also will be equal. That is, the third angle in these triangles are angle MOA is equal to angle NOA. Therefore, triangle AMO and triangle ANO are equal. Therefore, the side AM is equal to AN. Since the perpendicular from the center of the circle to the chord passes through the midpoint of the chord, therefore, M is the midpoint of AB and N is the midpoint of AC. Since AM is equal to AN, that we have already proved, then AM is 1 by 2 AB and AN is 1 by 2 AC. Therefore, the chords AB is equal to AC. Next, third question. In the picture on the right, the angles between the radii and the chords are equal. Prove that the chords are of the same length. In the figure, AB and CD are chords of the circle with the center O. Then draw perpendicular OM and ON to the chords AB and CD respectively. Here, angle OAB is equal to angle OCD. We have to prove that the chords are equal, that is AB is equal to CD. Consider triangle OMA and triangle ONC. Here angle OAM is equal to angle OCN, and also angle OAB is equal to angle OCD, which is given. And here OA is equal to OZ, that is the radii of the same circle. Angle AMO is equal to angle CNO, which is equal to 90 degree. Then angle OAM is equal to angle OCN. Here, if one side and two angles on that side of a triangle are equal to one side and two angles of that side of the other triangle, then we can say that the other angle, that is angle AOM, is equal to angle CON. Therefore, triangle OMA and triangle ONC are equal. Here AM is equal to CN, and AM is half of AB and CN is half of CD. That is perpendicular from the center of the circle bisect the chord. Therefore, AB is equal to CD. Okay children, in the next class we will discuss the next topic, that is length of chords. That's all for today. Thank you.